Hello and welcome back to the channel. Time to do the exercise 1D. Question number 1. Find out the LCM between 3 and 7. Pretty simple. First of all, you find out the multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Similarly, the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42. Now what's common between multiples of 3 and multiples of 7? We have 21. So 21 is the LCM between 3 and 7. Moving on to question number 1, part B. LCM between 6 and 9. Let's employ a different technique here. It's called prime factorization. Prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3, and the prime factors of 9 are 3 into 3. The common factor being 3, and the uncommon factors are 2 and 3. Now for LCM, you need to multiply the common factors with the uncommon factors. We have common factor as 3, and the uncommon factors are 2 into 3. The answer is 18. Part C, 7 and 21. The third method would be division method. You divide 7 and 21 by 7. The answer is 1 and 3. You multiply the prime factor with the remainders 7 being the prime factor and the remainder being 1 and 3. The answer is 21. Now, in any exam situation, you may be asked to solve a question using a specific technique. For example, let's take an example of this part C. We have to find out the LCM between 7 and 21. But what about if we required us to find out the LCM between 7 and 21 using prime factorization only? So you need to be well versed with all of these methods. But given a situation, given an option, opt for the one you're most comfortable with. Now you can solve part D through J yourself. Moving on to question number 2. Between 6, 9 and 15. It's the same question as question number 1. The only difference being now you have 3 numbers instead of 2 numbers in question number 1. So all the parts A through F, you can do all of these yourself. Question number 3. The LCM between one number and the other number. Now it may seem a bit tricky, but it's not really. Instead of giving you a number, he has given you a factors, and that too expressed as index notation. You write both of these down. Now look for common factors. What's common between 2 square and 2? We have 2. What's common between 3 cube and 3 raised to power 4? We have 3 cube. What about 5 raised to power 4 and 5 raised to power 3? We have 5 raised to power 3. We don't have any common factor of 7. So we skip that and we move on to the uncommon factors. Now what's left? We have 2, 3, 5 and 7. For LCM, again you multiply the common factors with the uncommon factor. 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube, those are common factors, and then you write down the uncommon factors. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. All you need to do right now is use a calculator to find out the answer. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. The answer is 1417500. Pretty simple, right? Okay. Similarly, you can solve part B and part C yourself. Let me know if you have any query regarding that. Question number 4. Now you have to find out the HCF and LCM between 18 and 42. The only difference being now we have to find out the HCF along with LCM. How did we find out the HCF previously? We use common factors only, common prime factors only. So you'll have to use the prime factorization method here. So first of all, let's make prime factors of 18. Those are 2 into 3 into 3, and for 42 it's 2 into 3 into 7. The common factors are 2 and 3, and the uncommon factors are 3 and 7. What is the formula of HCF? You multiply the common factors. 2 into 3, the answer is 6. What about LCM? You multiply the common factors with the uncommon factors. 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 is equal to 126. Part B, C, D, E, and F. You can do all of these yourself. Like the video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.